Ever been deep in rough terrain where thick brush blocks your path and every swing of your blade decides how fast or how safely you move forward? In those moments, a weak machete isn't just frustrating, it's dangerous. In today's video, we're breaking down 20 military-grade machetes built for survival and self-defense, tools designed to clear land, build shelter, and hold their own when things get serious. If you respect honest gear talk and real-world performance, make sure you're subscribed to Trek Gear. Let's get into it. Cold Steel All-Terrain Chopper. Picture pushing through overgrown woodland after a storm. Fallen branches, tangled vines, and wet hardwood slowing every step. This is where the Cold Steel All-Terrain Chopper earns its reputation. This blade isn't about finesse, it's about momentum. The forward-weighted design delivers brutal chopping power with minimal effort, making it ideal for clearing trails, breaking down limbs, or opening space fast. The wide blade profile bites deep, while the tough steel construction shrugs off impacts that would roll or chip lesser tools. In the hand, it feels purposeful. The handle geometry keeps your grip locked even when sweat or rain enters the equation, and the balance encourages controlled swings instead of wild hacking. Whether you're building shelter, processing firewood, or pushing through dense growth, this chopper works like a compact axe with the reach of a machete. It's not flashy, it's not delicate, it's a workhorse built for people who expect their tools to perform when terrain turns hostile. Apoch Tactical Kukri. Now imagine a different scenario. Uneven ground, thick foliage, limited daylight. That's where the Apoch Tactical Kukri steps in. Inspired by traditional Kukri geometry but modernized for survival and combat utility, this blade brings devastating cutting power into a compact, fast-handling package. The curved edge pulls material into the cut, making brush removal and limb processing incredibly efficient with less follow-through. The weight distribution sits forward, yet the machete never feels clumsy. That balance makes it effective not only for chopping, but also for controlled utility work, shaping stakes, trimming branches, or defensive movements if things go sideways. The handle is built for retention, encouraging confidence during hard swings or quick directional changes. KBAR Machete Kukri. KBAR's name carries expectations, and the KBAR Machete Kukri lives up to them with a design that blends tradition, durability, and field practicality. The Kukri-style blade profile gives it excellent chopping authority, while the extended cutting edge allows efficient slicing through brush, vines, and fibrous growth. It's tough enough for repeated impacts without feeling overbuilt or fatiguing. What stands out is how usable it feels across extended tasks. The handle offers comfort during prolonged work sessions, reducing hand fatigue when clearing land or prepping camp. The blade geometry allows you to transition smoothly from aggressive chopping to controlled cuts without swapping tools. For survivalists, outdoorsmen, or anyone assembling a no-nonsense field kit, this machete delivers reliability. Cold Steel Tactical Tanto Machete. The Cold Steel Tactical Tanto Machete brings a completely different attitude to survival cutting. Instead of sweeping curves, this blade focuses on straight lines and reinforced angles. The Tanto-style tip gives it exceptional strength up front, allowing it to punch through dense material, heavy brush, or stubborn obstacles without fear of snapping or rolling. That squared-off geometry also makes it effective for thrusting and controlled penetration, something traditional machetes struggle with. In use, the blade feels deliberate. It doesn't overswing or wander. Each strike lands where you intend, making it a strong option for confined environments where overextension could be risky. The handle design locks the hand in place, promoting confidence whether you're clearing vegetation, breaching light barriers, or maintaining defensive readiness. Schrade SC Mach 1 Decimate Parang. Now picture heavy brush that fights back, thick vines, twisted roots, and layered vegetation that demands repeat strikes. The Schrade SC Mach 1, also known as the Decimate Parang, is built for exactly that kind of punishment. The Parang-inspired blade shape naturally drives power forward, increasing cutting efficiency with every swing. It excels at continuous chopping, letting gravity and blade curvature do much of the work. That means less fatigue and faster progress when you're clearing space or opening trails. What makes this machete shine is its balance between aggression and control. The blade bites deep, but the handle keeps your wrist aligned, reducing strain during long sessions. It feels planted, predictable, and dependable, qualities that matter when conditions are hot wet, and unforgiving. For survival scenarios that demand sustained cutting performance, this machete delivers consistency without asking for perfect technique. United Cutlery, Honchu, Bosshin, Kukri. If modern tactical styling appeals to you, the Honchu Bosshin Kukri brings a sleek, disciplined edge to traditional Kukri performance. This blade feels refined, almost surgical, yet it still carries serious chopping authority. The curvature enhances slicing efficiency, while the reinforced spine provides confidence for harder impacts. Whether you're clearing vegetation, processing wood, or maintaining a defensive posture, the Bosshin Kukri stays composed and responsive. The handle design is a standout. It promotes strong retention and neutral wrist alignment, making it comfortable for extended use without sacrificing control. Every motion feels intentional, not wild, ideal for survivalists who prefer precision over brute force. This machete fits well into modern survival kits, where mobility, control, and tactical readiness matter just as much as raw cutting power. REIT 17-inch machete with saw. Imagine setting up camp late in the day. The REIT 17-inch machete with saw is built for that kind of multitasking pressure. The long cutting edge handles brush clearing and limb removal efficiently, while the integrated saw spine adds a second dimension of utility. When chopping isn't the cleanest option, the saw lets you process thicker branches with control and reduced effort. That versatility becomes valuable when energy conservation matters. The blade length provides reach and leverage, making wide swings effective without forcing you to overcommit. Meanwhile, the handle offers a secure grip for both chopping and controlled sawing motions. This machete is especially useful for campers, emergency prep kits, or vehicle-based survival setups where flexibility matters more than specialization. It's not a finesse blade, it's a get-things-done tool meant for real camp workloads. Tops Yacare Machete. Now shift to a harsher environment. The Tops Yacare Machete was designed with exactly that terrain in mind. Built with serious durability, this machete carries a thick blade profile that absorbs impact without complaint. It excels at repeated chopping through dense growth, vines, and woody brush, where lighter machetes would bog down or deflect. Every strike feels deliberate and controlled. The handle is shaped for extended use, giving you confidence even when conditions are wet or slippery. Balance plays a big role here. The Yacare hits hard but remains manageable, reducing fatigue over long clearing sessions. This is a machete for users who expect consistent performance in unforgiving environments, the kind of blade you trust when lighter tools start to feel inadequate. CRKT KUK Machete. Compact, aggressive, and purpose-built, the CRKT KUK Machete brings Kukri-style efficiency into a more streamlined form. This blade thrives in tight spaces where oversized machetes become cumbersome. The curved edge pulls material into the cut, allowing you to remove brush, chop saplings, and shape wood with surprising effectiveness despite its shorter length. It feels fast in the hand, encouraging controlled, repeatable strikes. What makes the KUK stand out is how balanced it feels. The handle design promotes strong retention and quick recovery between swings, making it useful for both utility work and defensive readiness. It's light enough to carry comfortably, yet tough enough to handle demanding field tasks. For hikers, minimalist survivalists, or anyone wanting a compact machete that punches above its size, this blade delivers dependable performance. Expat Darien Machete. Picture a dense forest where every step forward is met with entangling vines and stubborn undergrowth. The Expat Darien Machete is designed to make that path manageable. The Darien's long, slightly curved blade gives excellent cutting leverage, letting you clear brush efficiently without exhausting your energy. Its geometry supports both slicing and chopping, giving it an edge when you switch from clearing trails to processing firewood or preparing stakes for shelter. The ergonomic handle keeps your grip secure during sustained work, making long clearing sessions more comfortable. Whether you're setting up camp, navigating thick trails, or preparing emergency materials, this machete is a solid all-around survival companion. Tops Knives Bestia. The top's Bestia steps in as a machete that handles serious abuse while remaining highly controllable. Its thick, forward-weighted blade profile delivers powerful chopping strokes, ideal for clearing dense vegetation or processing heavier wood. Yet the blade maintains enough finesse for controlled cuts, carving notches, shaping stakes, or slicing ropes. Balance and geometry work together to reduce fatigue during extended use. The Bestia's handle is built for retention and comfort, even under wet conditions or sweaty hands. For survivalists, adventurers, or tactical operators, this machete offers raw power without sacrificing control. Cold Steel Warrior Series Katana. The Cold Steel Warrior Series Katana provides the answer. Long and razor sharp, it's capable of sweeping cuts that clear paths quickly, while the sturdy steel ensures it won't bend or chip under pressure. Unlike traditional machetes, the Warrior's geometry allows for fluid, controlled swings, ideal for dense brush, bamboo, or defensive scenarios. The handle design prioritizes ergonomics and retention, giving you confidence when executing extended chopping sequences or tactical maneuvers. While it's larger than standard survival blades, it rewards the user with reach, authority, and precision in environments where every swing counts. Some machetes aren't just tools, they're extensions of your strategy in the wild. Cold Steel Chinese Sword Machete. The Cold Steel Chinese Sword Machete does just that. Its long, straight profile delivers powerful cutting strokes with excellent reach, allowing you to clear dense brush or process thicker material efficiently. Unlike standard machetes, the sword-like geometry promotes fluid, controlled swings, reducing fatigue during prolonged clearing sessions. The handle offers strong retention and balanced ergonomics, so whether you're hacking through overgrowth or executing precise cuts, it feels natural in hand. This is a blade for users who appreciate reach, control, and enduring performance in one versatile package. Cold Steel Tachi Katana. The Cold Steel Tachi Katana is built to dominate in these situations. Long, agile, and razor-sharp, this machete slices cleanly through brush, small trees, and stubborn vegetation. Its blade geometry emphasizes precision without sacrificing chopping power, giving the user control over every cut. The robust steel ensures durability, even under heavy, repetitive use. The handle design is crafted for comfortable grip and retention during extended swings, making it suitable for long expeditions where stamina and efficiency are key. For survivalists, bushcrafters, or tactical enthusiasts, this katana-style machete merges elegance with uncompromising utility. Condor Atrox Knife Machete. Enter the Condor. Atrox Knife Machete. Its broad blade profile allows for powerful chopping, while the slightly curved edge helps pull material into every swing for efficient clearing. The spine is tough enough for light batoning, giving the user confidence when processing firewood or building shelter. The handle is sculpted for retention and ergonomic comfort, reducing fatigue over extended use. It's a versatile tool for anyone needing a reliable, all-purpose machete capable of performing both heavy and precise tasks in the wild. Cold Steel Marauder Machete. The Cold Steel Marauder Machete is built to cut through all of it with authority. Its broad, forward-weighted blade maximizes chopping force, letting you clear brush efficiently while maintaining control. The robust steel construction ensures it withstands repeated impacts without dulling or bending. Whether you're shaping firewood, clearing trails, or building shelter, this machete inspires confidence. The handle is designed for strong retention and comfort during long sessions. For survivalists who demand uncompromising strength and reliability, the Marauder is a dependable choice. Cold Steel Natchez Bowie Machete. Now imagine a machete that doubles as a tactical and utility tool. The Cold Steel Natchez Bowie Machete fits this role perfectly. Its distinctive drop-point blade allows both heavy chopping and precision slicing. You can clear dense brush, process branches, or prepare camp materials with equal ease. The thick spine offers durability, while the ergonomic handle ensures sustained comfort over long tasks. This machete is ideal for those who need a versatile, reliable field companion capable of handling both survival and defensive scenarios without compromise. Cold Steel Latin D-Guard Machete. Sometimes you need a blade that combines protective handling with serious chopping power. The Cold Steel Latin D-Guard Machete brings both to the table. Its curved edge is designed for efficient slicing and chopping, while the D-Guard handle protects your hand during heavy swings or controlled thrusts. The blade is thick and strong enough to handle tough vegetation, yet the balance ensures precise control. This machete is perfect for bushcraft enthusiasts, survivalists, and anyone building a multifunctional kit where durability and hand safety are top priorities. When survival scenarios get unpredictable, the right machete can make all the difference. Cold Steel Barong Machete. Picture thick tropical undergrowth where every swing must count. The cold steel Barong machete excels in such conditions. Its wide, forward-weighted blade delivers incredible chopping power, making clearing trails or processing wood effortless. The reinforced spine ensures durability under repeated impacts, while the slightly curved edge provides efficient slicing with minimal effort. The handle is ergonomically designed for secure retention and comfort during long sessions. Whether you're navigating dense jungle, building shelter, or performing survival tasks, this machete offers dependable power with precision control. Tops knives, Elchete knife machete. Now imagine a machete that combines tactical styling with real-world performance. The Tops Elchete knife machete is designed for users who need both control and brute strength. Its thick, high-carbon steel blade delivers reliable chopping and slicing ability, capable of handling dense brush, small trees, or camp construction tasks. The blade geometry allows for controlled precision, while the handle design maximizes grip security even in wet or slippery conditions. For survivalists or tactical operators seeking a blade that balances toughness and control, the Elchete is a solid addition to any field kit. And there you have it, 20 military-grade machetes for survival and self-defense, each one built to endure tough terrain, heavy use, and unpredictable scenarios. Which one would you add to your survival kit? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you want more deep dives into survival gear, tactical tests, and bushcraft reviews, hit that subscribe button and join the Trek Gear community. Stay sharp, stay prepared, and remember, your blade can be the difference between struggle and survival.